Good Wednesday to you. I'm Storm Team 9 Meteorologist Patrick Ellis here with your ENC Weather update for this December the 18th, 2013. Setting up to be a great day across eastern North Carolina with temperatures hovering into the middle to upper 40s, low 50s for some later on today. Can't complain about that with full sunshine in full force today with the northwest wind at about 10 miles per hour. So let's get you into what's going to happen over the next couple of days because we're going to have a shift around in our pattern, and big things are going to be happening as we head towards this weekend, which include warmer temperatures in our forecast. First off, we'll take a look at the live eye camera from the Bridgepoint Hotel and Marina. Good start to the morning. Sunshine across the area. This is looking over the confluence of the Trent and Neuse rivers. We're starting off in the 30s and 40s for the most part. I don't see very much variation as far as temperatures are concerned through the rest of today. I think most of us will likely top out for our northern areas north of Highway 64, mid-40s, upper 40s and low 50s down south of there. So most of our area will likely be upper 40s and low 50s today. We're currently 43 at New Moorhead City. We're doing this update at 8:20. 37 in Greenville, as well as Kenansville, Jacksonville, Roanoke Rapids, Rocky Mount. It seems like 37 is a popular number this morning. 35 at Raleigh, 39 at Goldsboro. Our Clipper system now making its way offshore. We are dry today, and we will stay dry the next couple of days with northwest flow currently in place. Tomorrow, the winds will shift around to the southwest. That's when we start to get a little bit of the moisture back into the region. As far as our forecast is concerned today, like I said, for the most of us, I think most of us will likely be into the 40s and 50s today. Middle 40s for most northern areas, upper 40s to low 50s south and central areas. Coastal areas may be a touch cooler. I think with the northwest flow, it's going to keep it a little cooler down there at the coast and also quite breezy. So we'll likely go with mid to upper 40s for you guys. In northeast North Carolina, same type of scenario. I think some of the cooler pockets up there could stay in the low 40s. For tonight, upper 20s, low 30s, 3C type of scenario with patchy frost possible. Now, we're talking about this next system back off to the west. It is getting its act together, but this is only part of it. We're watching some energy coming down from the Gulf of Alaska with a huge system up that way, and you can kind of see how it's all kind of coming down back over into just west of Oregon right now. You see that little piece of energy rolling through the flow, getting hooked up with this upper low. All of that is going to get together here in the next couple of days. And I think actually in the next 12 to 24 hours, we start to see this thing really start to develop. Across our area, dry air is in place. But this thing's really going to ramp up here over the next 12 to 24 hours. We're going to have a big old bowling ball low, positive tilt trough coming through the flow. And possibly some severe weather at the end of this thing when it comes through Arkansas, Louisiana, Tennessee, and Mississippi, possibly as far west as east as Alabama. So let's look at the precision forecast model. But ahead of this whole thing, we're talking about warmer air really starting to push into the region. 850 temperatures will likely be somewhere around 11 to 13 degrees Celsius. That'll put us at 55. You add 25 to that, that puts you at 75 when you try to mix down the atmosphere. So a lot of moisture, a lot of warmth moving into the region, and looking at some of the numbers, this is going to be quite interesting how this all plays out, because you see how strong the winds are with that jet back off to the west coming in here on Saturday. The back edge of that jet's going to be moving in, and makes for some issues, severe weather issues across portions of the Mid-South. But for us, we're going to be warm and moist. Here's a look at our 7-day forecast. 47 today on average. Sunny skies for most of the day on Thursday. Do believe that we do get some clouds moving in here late in the day, but otherwise, mid to upper 50s, low 60s will likely be achievable, especially south of 70. Few clouds in here through Friday as well as Saturday. We'll keep a chance for a shower in the forecast as some of that moisture really starts to pump into the region. But look at the temperatures. We're up to 75. That would be near record temperatures for Sunday, with those, like I said, those 850 temperatures way up there. So it's going to be quite warm in place. Then Monday, the frontal boundary actually moves through the region. That's our next rainmaker that I was talking about. That rolls in here. Falling temperatures will likely fall into the upper 50s and low 60s through the latter half of the day, and then by Christmas Eve, we're in the mid-40s. That's going to do it for me here on the ENC Weather Update. Stay up to date with us. Facebook, Twitter, WNCT.com. I'm in this afternoon on the noon show. Chief Meteorologist David Sawyer will be in this evening for the evening newscast 5:30, 6, 10 o'clock on CW, and 11 o'clock right back on WNCT. Next update here will be by tomorrow morning. Have a great rest of your day, a great day tomorrow, and a great weather week ahead.